guys, welcome back to the channel. As you know, I am Mel. I want to say welcome back. I hope you guys are having a great day, great week, great weekend. I hope you guys are being safe. And yeah, so today I have a haul for you guys, and it is my first Halloween haul. Yes, you guys, but it's a twist to my Halloween haul. I am not sharing with you guys my recent finds. I am sharing with you guys my finds from last year. The reason why I choose to do that this way, because it was more so of me showing you guys what I got last year, just in case you guys see me giving a tour of my hutch or my fireplace or the coffee bar and you guys are like, wait, what? Wait, did this come out this year? Wait, I didn't see this in stores. So I just wanted to share with you guys those finds. I hope you guys are excited to see what I have from last year, and just continue watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Let's get into this haul. The first canister I wanted to show you is this candy overload canister. It has the orange handle. It is a semi-gloss finish or matte. I'm not too sure if it's a semi-gloss or a matte finish, but this was from Marshall's, and it was the Happy Halloween canister with the black handle. And this canister was also from Marshall's, and it was $19.99. All right, so the next piece I'm going to share with you guys is a crock. It is a Happy Halloween crock, and I think this is definitely a matte finish. And I know this year they have the Boo crock, they have the Trick or Treat crock, but I think this one was from either 2019 or 2018. This is very heavy. It's very heavy. I don't know the price. I got this off of Macari last year, so this was one of my Macari's purchase. Alright, so the next piece I have for you guys, it is a cake stand. It is a Happy Halloween cake stand. It is also heavy. I got this off of Macari as well. I'm not too sure. It is a bit dusty because I had it stored away and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm not too sure where or what store, but I'm sure it's from one of the 3 stores. Yeah, I got this from Macari as well. Next piece is these little salt and pepper shakers. It says Boo and Eek. These were released last year. They were also released with the black with the white lettering, and this one is the black with the orange lettering. Also, I know that they are being re-released this year. The same combo, black with the orange and black with the white lettering. I believe they are what? $12.99 for these. Yeah, $12.99 for these little babies. Yeah, this one had a little accident, you know, right here, and I had to, you know, fix it. But yeah, other than that, these are my little baby cauldrons, salt and pepper shaker cauldron. My first bowl, and it is the Witch's Brew bowl with the orange interior, and this was found at TJ Maxx for $16.99, and this is heavy. This is ceramic. These are my favorite bowls. I have a couple for Valentine's Day. I have for Christmas, and I don't think I have for Easter, but definitely for Halloween, and I'm still on the hunt for some more. And yeah, this is a gloss finish, and this was found at TJ Maxx during last year's Christmas hunt, and it is the Hocus Pocus hat. I don't remember if I showed you the one with the purple ribbon or it was this exact one, but I do have the one with the purple ribbon as well, and I'm not planning on using that this year, so this is why I'm showing you guys this one. It was this one I did not find in the store. I got this off of Macari, but I found the purple one in the store, the one with the purple ribbon in the store, and I got this one off of Macari. But the crazy thing is, when I ordered this one off Macari, I went to a Marshall's and I found 2 of them with the black ribbon there, but I wasn't going to cancel my order anyhow, so I just left those and just waited till this one arrived from wherever it's coming from. But yeah, so this is my Hocus Pocus hat, and yeah, and I have something to share with you guys at the ending of this video, so I hope you guys just continue watching and stay tuned. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed this mini haul. Like I told you guys before, if you have made it through to the end of the video, hey, guess what? A giveaway. I did not mention the giveaway in the beginning because I wanted to make sure that my beautiful, lovely subscribers who are here, that are watching, that are supporting constantly, that are talking to me in the comment section, are the ones to enter this giveaway. I wanted to do this for you guys because you guys are always commenting, always liking, always supporting me on my videos, and I'm going to give away this beautiful mug, and you guys know it is one of my top favorites if you watch my top favorite Halloween mugs, and it is my Candy Coma mug. Now, as you guys know, I have 3 of these mugs, and in this video I will be giving away 1 of them. So if you would like to win this beautiful Candy Coma mug, just enter in the comment section down below Candy Coma and you will be entered into the giveaway. And I wish you guys good luck, and I want to say thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bells so you guys will know when I upload a next video for you guys. So don't forget, please comment down below Candy Coma if you want to win this mug, and please be safe, please wear your mask,